Alright guys, want to make a quick video about how to turn on your PS5 using the remote control. And the reason I wanted to make this is just because most people are going to be pushing the on button on the PS5 console. But just in case you're new, like I am, now you can also just push the PS logo and it will turn on. So this video obviously is not going to be for someone that, already understands and everything. But this video is more for people that maybe they're like more mature, or like, like they have their Nintendo or their PS2 and they always had to push it on the console. But hey, check it out. Now you can just push this PS logo and it will turn on. And then now it's asking me to put my password, so I'll go ahead. So now you can see it's on. All right, anyways, just a quick little video. Use your remote control.